Alright, I'm working on this Bobcat 873 doing the spool valve seals, and if you've gotten to the point where you've replaced these seals and you still have a leak, it could be this little guy right here that's inside the I believe it's the lift spool valve, not the tilt. This one's on the lower end. So what I did is I actually used a propane torch to heat that up, and then I just twisted this little wood screw down into the valve end and let it sit for about maybe a minute. Came back out and I popped right out. Then this little O-ring right here was left inside, and apparently people have a hard time getting that one out, and same here, it was twisted on its side, and I tried using one of those orange picks right there. That didn't do the trick. So I just twisted this down in there and that thing came right out. I mean, it's what you need is these little edges right here to grab a hold of it, whether it's on its side or in place, but it actually came out just like that. So I can start getting this thing put back together now. If you do need those parts, I bought these on All Skid Steer, A-6596807 and A-54K20002. Now that one is the O-ring, and that one is the new plastic plug. And then I don't have a part number on these, but I can put them in the description, or maybe put up another video. But yeah, I'm just getting ready to put this back together. This is the part that I had the most trouble with, so I figured this is where I'd make my video. And I might make a couple more videos on this particular build, but there's a couple good ones out there, and I'll link to those as well.